Hallmark Electronics are the UK's leading contract electronics manufacturer. For over 40 years, we have produced the best quality products with world-class customer service at highly competitive costs to a wide range of global industries. Hallmark Electronics' state-of-the-art PCB and assembly facility offers a truly unique solution, encompassing PCB manufacturing, procurement, and assembly to provide increased control for engineers and more competitive costs for purchasers. Whatever your CEM requirements, Hallmark Electronics will deliver. Hallmark's total technical and manufacturing solution begins in our CAD department, where ideas transform into products, be it a one-off prototype or full production of thousands of products. All of Hallmark's PCBs are manufactured at our modern facility in Staffordshire to British Standard EN ISO 9001 quality approval and American Underwriters Laboratory approval. Our expert manufacturing team can produce any PCB requirements you have, including PTH, multi-layer, flexi-rigids, and metal-backed PCBs. Our high-tech assembly department, operated by assembly specialists, have the capability to deliver a wide spectrum of PCB assembly methods, including surface mount to micro-BGA, O201 and through-hole assembly. Our comprehensive testing service is specially designed to ensure the highest quality and minimize supply chain risks, whilst reducing total project costs. Our processes include X-ray inspection, automatic optical inspection, and functional testing. Products conform to IPC 610 up to Class 3. Whatever your requirements, our fully integrated facility with full product support gives you a total CEM solution at Hallmark. Quality products and competitive costings. Hallmark Electronics, the UK's #1 choice for all of your contract electronic manufacture requirements.